Hi guys! Tonight we're going to take a look at this rocket assortment that I picked up. It was a buy one get one free, so that way I can save one and burn one. They were originally $36.95 a piece, so I was able to get them for $18.50 a piece. They're Canon brand, but the cool thing about it too is that they're not just rockets. So we're going to cut one open and go through it and see what everything is, see what we got inside. Okay, got Stellar Rockets, 12 pack. Crackling Comet Tail with one report. Let's see what they do. I have a feeling it's going to kind of poof out. Then got a small package, 6-pack of Texas Pop Rockets. Kind of all know what those do. And these are triple report rockets. Looks like a 6-pack of those. Rockets with reports, always good. And then they also give you a 6-pack of double report rockets.
Well, that'll be alright.
And these are supercharged jet, so we'll see. See if it's actually that size of a canister. Or
they got some weight to them. They're pretty heavy. Those are the biggest rockets in the whole set.
Now this one I thought was a Roman candle, but it's also a rocket. Green fish with crackles.
That thing's heavy too.
Yeah, that one. I hope that one's good. And then we got some premium 2-ounce assorted rockets. So these are probably all just color. Maybe a few with crackling reports, I'm guessing. And then we got the Firefly. Sword colors. Pretty heavy. Let's see what that did. Got 2 of them here. And then we got these. Got 3 of these.
Okay, you gotta hold them in the camera.
Rocket kit. Each different color.
Pearls and glitter.
And last but not least, we got the pinballs. So those are the ones I'm really looking forward to. I hope those are good. I'm going to break it down here real quick for you. Got the Stellar Rockets that are just a crackling with report. The premium 2-ounce assorted rockets that I think do all different colors and glitter, maybe some crackling. Then we've also got the Pinball Rockets that I have no idea what they're going to do. I'm hoping color, but we'll see. And then the Rocket that I believe is color. It says red pearls with white glitter, so they're all just different colors, so we'll see. And then the Supercharger Jet. Got the little fireflies, the double rocket with report, and the triple report rocket. The Texas Pop Rockets, which go pop, and the green fish with crackles. So yeah, I think I got a pretty good deal. $18.50 for this whole assortment. Comment below and let me know what you think. Once the weather gets a little nicer, we'll go out and demo each one and see what they actually do for real. And yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, 319 Pyros. Have a good night. Okay, on a little side note, earlier you probably noticed that I was kind of squeezing these canister rockets, and it's because I do that to see if it's actually a canister or if it's a ball shell, or to see try to figure out what's underneath of that cardboard. So If you're wondering why I was doing that earlier in the video, that would be why. Just a little tip for you. Thanks.